Watching CBS 42, local coverage you can count on. This is the CBS 42 Morning News.
New this morning, a Shelby County judge is asking for volunteers to help support children who have been abused and neglected. CASA is a nonprofit that trains people to become court-appointed special advocates to help these children as they go through the court process and beyond. And joining us this morning is a judge who sees these cases firsthand, Shelby County Juvenile Court Judge Erin Welburn. It's so great to see you this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Talk about the caseload and the cases that you come across in Shelby County for these children who've been through just horrific times.
The cases that I deal with are children who are abused and neglected, whether that is physical, emotional, sexual abuse, or if it is the neglect case where a child is neglected due to a parent's addiction or substance use. These cases are the majority of my docket. We also have cases in which there is not a parent. Either a parent is incarcerated or deceased. So these children are thrust into my system completely through no fault of their own.
Tell us about CASA and how they're helping these children.
CASA is a volunteer organization. It's a nonprofit of Shelby County, and we use those volunteers in our court to supervise visitation, to offer a mentorship for the child, for the family. It really connects the child with the family. We have a home. We are fortunate in Shelby County. We have a CASA house, and we can have visits there, so it gives them a more realistic visit in a home setting. We have volunteers that supervise the visits where children can go out in the community with their parents and go to a movie or go to dinner or go to the zoo or McWayne Center and have those experiences with a parent where there's a lot of time for connection.
It's so important. And also parenting classes are available too there, which I was reading a little bit about. A lot of us said, I wish I'd come with a manual.
Correct.
And there are classes you can take for that. You need volunteers to help these, I say little ones, they can be all the way up to teenage years.
Yes.
Who is this job perfect for, this volunteer opportunity?
We are coming up on graduation season, so we're going to have a lot of empty nests. And so we need volunteers who are retired, someone who just wants to connect and see the process. That would be perfect for a law school student, or someone who would like to, a social work student in college that wants to connect with a family and to see the real side of social work and court systems in a much more controlled environment.
And because the end goal is reunification, if that's possible.
It's always reunification. That's always our first goal.
Family unit, and some of those families just need that support and someone there. How do people apply to be a volunteer with you all?
You can go to casaofshelbycounty.org, and that'll be on your, I'll give you the information so you can put it on your website, but you can go there and that'll give you the information on how to apply.
These volunteers, I bet they find this so rewarding, don't they?
They do.
The rewards of this are incredible.
It makes long-lasting relationships with these children and families.
Incredible. Become family. Judge Erin Welburn from Shelby County, thank you so much for joining us, and you can go to our website for more information. David.
What an awesome program. Thank you, Judge.